Hey, here we are. Rained all night, so I pulled the tarps off it to dry off this Axelson lathe. Yeah. So that is gonna go this direction. Oh, this concrete here is just really bad. This is bad. I've been grinding here. Not too awful at the threshold there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is move this Brown & Sharpe #2 heavy mill, weighing about, I figure 6,000 pounds with everything on it. Now I put all this junk on the table here, and I ran the table all the way over to this side because I'm going to pry it up on this corner. And I'm going to slide this plate here, put a little oil on there, oil that plate up. And I'm going to pry it up. There's a wedge here and a plate. I'm going to knock the wedge out and then slip this plate under. Okay, let's watch me do that. Hope you're all doing good. I have on a real Navy hat with a Harley sticker on it. Very important, moving, heavy moving. Okay, let's get this over here. I don't think anything's going to fly. Now you got to get a fulcrum just right. And I need this. We'll go right there. Let me see if you can see that okay. Yeah, it looks okay. Okay. Get that thing out. Now I'm going to push down on this, and I'm going to use this, knock that wedge out. Okay, it's up. And this plate, right there. All right. Now, I think there's still something under there that I gotta pry out. We will see. I don't like to stick my fingers under stuff too much here. Oh, it's not even sitting on there. Okay. I like it. Now, let's see, I'm gonna get you over here. And I'm gonna run the table the other side. Looks like it's going to be a nice one today, so I'm going to take advantage of it. This old mill's in good shape, it doesn't get tight. Working it at the ends. All right, that's a long ways to go. Let's see if I can you kind of get an idea of what I'm doing down there. Something like that. Okay, I'll push this back a little. bunch of junk there. Chip brush. Couple sticks. Put that under there. I'm going to try it with this bar and see if I can push down over. I don't think so. Maybe. I have to get the other bar. Hold on. See, this floor's so bad, it doesn't matter if you bite into it. I don't know if I got enough room for this one. Maybe not. I'm going to do it in the center. Sometimes it works from there. Hey, we got a ways on that plate, see? Let me get that so it swivels a little bit, maybe. Yeah. I'll try to scoot it over a little more. Well, what do you know? Okay, I got to redo the stuff here and then reposition that plate. Okay. Okay, I got to reposition this plate here. So I'm sliding the mill over. I'm going to try to keep your fingers out from under that. It weighs 6,000 pounds. There we go. Okay. I'll get to the other side. Maybe you can see the progress. Hang on. Okay, I'm going to bring it back over here anyway. It's very tight here, bumping into everything. Okay, here we are. Now, I knocked the wedges and stuff out, and I've got another oiled plate on this side. I had this thing all wedged up because it was sinking. So I got this oiled up plate on this thin plate, and it'll be at an incline. That way, it should be fairly easy to push. This is not a bad place to put it. Okay. See what it looks like on that other side. looking pretty good. Okay, I'm going to keep moving it like that, and I'll be back. Okay, time to reposition that plate again. Get this over here, and we can't do that. Okay, up we go. That's good. Okay, I got this other part. Seemed to work pretty good. I'm gonna give it a try. I got the plate positioned on the other side. There we go. Okay, I'm going to stop right there. Well, go look at that other side. Okay, I'm going to take a little break. Yeah, at this level, I think it is fairly easy to see. Now, I'm using a plate here and a thick plate here, and I push that plate under to make it inclined, okay? So I'm moving the mill that direction, so it's actually going downhill. It makes it easy to push it over. And on this side here, see, I just got it sliding on that oiled steel plate there. Now this floor is really rough. I don't think the camera will do it justice, but it's, if you look at it from a foot away, it looks like the moon. So things don't roll good on this floor. So that's why I do it this way. There's no way to lift the machines up. It'll pull the whole building down. And a floor like this, it doesn't matter. So you can dig a bar into it. It just doesn't matter. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm pushing the mill over to that wall, and that'll give better access. See, it's already opening up. See that space there? Yeah, that's quite a bit. Now I got the back there, I got the same thing going, where there's, it's on an oiled plate that's got another plate under it, causing an incline, because that end's going to come swinging out a bit. And it's going pretty good. Okay. I'll be back when it's against the wall.